Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install SuperLive. So without any further ado, let's get started. SuperLive is a super popular video streaming social network that allows you to show your skills, share your moments, and make incredible friends from all over the world. So in order to install it, first of all, you'll have to open Play Store application. In the search bar, type in SuperLive. Click on the app. Now click on the install button of SuperLive application. Now after the app has been installed, click on the open button in order to use the app. So that is how you can install SuperLive application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.